Hello everyone, welcome to Electronic Solutions. In today's video, I am going to explain downloading and installation procedure for Arduino software. As I have already explained that the Arduino software is very easy to use and it is basically of open source. So let us first see how to install and download and install this particular software. So for downloading, you first click on Google Chrome. Here you type arduino.cc. Just enter. You will find this first website. You simply click on that. So here you will get the website of Arduino. Now here we want to download one software and therefore just click on software. Once you click on the software, you will get different options for selecting an operating system. So if your operating system is Windows, then you click over here. If it is a Linux, then you have to select whether your OS is 32-bit, 64 bits or any other, or Mac OS. So my operating system is Windows, so I will click on Windows 7 and newer. Here simply click on just download and your software will start downloading. Now here our software is downloaded. Now I will just click on show in a folder. So here I will click on this folder. The version that I have downloaded is the latest version of Arduino, which is 1.8.15. Now it's asking for a license agreement, so just click on next. Then here there are different setup installation options, so you check whether all these boxes are selected, because all are required. Just click on next. Then here it will ask for the path where you want to save your Arduino, so it's C colon program files and Arduino, and just click on install. It will start installing. It will take some time to install the software. We'll wait for few minutes. Yes, and it's completed. Now just click on close. Now on the desktop we'll find a icon of Arduino, so just click on that. So here is your software. Now just open it. Now when you open this Arduino software, you will find that there are different icons. So we'll go through all these icons and functions one by one. Now the first feature is a file. So file is already known to all of us. Now here there is one option which is called as an example. So in that examples you will find different examples, like some basics. In basics you will get LED blinking, then minimum, bare minimum, analog, read, special, digital, fade LEDs. Then there are different example available for digital analog communication, and you will go through this entire list. So all these are the inbuilt programs that are available in this Arduino. The remaining functions are same as that of our regular software. Now next is edit, that also you know. The third important is a sketch option. See, remember that in Arduino every program is called as a sketch, and therefore in this sketch option the first thing that you find is verify and compile. So verify and compile means when you want to compile your code, whenever you write the code you need to compile it. Shortcut for compilation is Control R. So either you go to sketch and click on compile, or here there is one shortcut which is given on the desktop, that is first click. So that click is also for verify and compilation. The next option is a upload. That means once your program is compiled successfully, you need to upload that program into Arduino, your microcontroller IC. And for that purpose, the option given is a upload function. Then the next is a show sketch folder. So in sketch folder, you will find your different programs, whatever you have done in Arduino. The next important feature is a include library. That means actually there are various libraries available, but see, if you want to add new libraries, then in that case you have to use this option. So the first one is a manage library and second is add zip library. So in case of manage library, you have to go online and you have to take the libraries online and you have to add. And in the second case, that means if you have already downloaded your libraries in the pen drive, if you have with you, then in that case you just give the path and just click on add zip library. So basically, if any new device is there, then you can add the libraries of their devices by using either manage libraries or add zip library. So that is what is the option include library. The next thing is a tools. So in tools, the important thing is serial monitor. So the serial monitor is basically for sending serial data from your computer to or desktop to Arduino board and vice versa. So we can use it. The next important thing is a board selection. So once you connect your Arduino board, then you need to select your board. So basically this software supports all types of Arduino board. So whatever board you are using, you have to select that board through this board option in tools. The next is the important option is a port. See, present it is not showing anything because I have not connected Arduino board. But when I will connect, I will show you what it shows and how to select the particular port. So this is a very simple interface of Arduino software. Then here, if you find on the right corner, there is one icon which is for activating your serial monitor. So if you click on that, you will get the option for or the window for serial monitor. And this window is basically used or it is for showing you the compilation output of your program. So that is what is all about this Arduino software. Now I will show you one inbuilt example of LED blinking. So for that, I will go to files, then examples. Then in examples, I will go for basics, and in that I will click on a blink. Now here you will find the program, and we'll go through these functions of the programs of this program one by one. So this is the code for LED blinking. Now here the two functions are used. The first function is a setup function and the second is a loop function. The setup function basically runs only once when we press reset or power the board, and the second, that is the loop function, runs over and over again forever. Means our main code is written in loop function which is get executed repeatedly, and in setup function basically we can use it to initialize variable spin mode like that. And these setup and loop functions are basically called by the bootloader. So bootloader first calls setup function and it will initialize some variables or pin mode like that, and then the loop function will be executed. Now we'll see how to connect the board, and I will download this program into the Arduino board, and I will also show you the output of the same program on actual hardware. Now you see, I have connected Arduino Uno board to my laptop. Now when you connect the board, then you select that board through toolbar. So that is Arduino Uno board. And second thing is, when you connect it, it will show the COM port as a COM4. So I have selected the COM port as COM4 and board as an Arduino Uno. Then I have downloaded the code for LED blinking and you can see the output. This LED is a inbuilt LED on the Arduino Uno board, so that LED will start blinking. Now I will show you the same output on the breadboard and on actual hardware. Now see, this is my breadboard, and now I will connect one LED. Now through this LED I will connect one resistor. This is for current limiting purpose, so I will connect one resistor. Then I will connect one wire, that is, this is pin number 13. I will connect this wire to pin number 13 because I have selected pin number 13. So from in my Arduino board, I will connect it to pin number 13. So this is my pin number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and pin number 13. And I will connect ground to cathode. So this is my second connection. So I will connect this pin from this to ground pin. Now this is immediately next. I will use the ground from this power section. So I will connect this. Yes, and see the output. The LED will starts blinking. So I have downloaded the same program, and I have shown you the output on Arduino board itself and on the breadboard. So this is what is the simple LED blinking example using Arduino software. So if you like my video, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.